Today I'm out here saving seeds, separating seeds from peppers and saving the seeds. It's a very, how would I call it? It can be dangerous, seeds can fly in your eyes. So, I wear this set of goggles over my eye, over my glasses, just so I could, the seeds don't fly in my eye. And these are all Scotch Bonnet pepper seeds that I'm saving today. As you know, I sell seeds, so on Etsy. So I'll put a link below where you can go buy pepper seeds. These Scotch Bonnet pepper seeds. These are Jamaican Scotch Bonnet pepper seeds that I'm saving, separating, and saving, and then the rest will make my sauce. Some I cut and take out the seeds, and some I leave to make my sauce. So there you go. Taking out the seeds from the center to dry them.